Okay, this is a day of flying the drone. I'm getting a lot better. Really, I'm just filming the crashes I've had. This is me going in the backyard, kind of facing the shed and the gazebo. And again, I just got too far away and I turn it. And when I start yawing or turning it, then I lose control of it, and there it goes down. There's me probably gonna walk after it and get it. Yep, here I am picking up the crash, and now I'm gonna start it over, and this time I'm gonna be facing north over in the wooded area. So it's just overcast and a little bit of breezy, I don't know, 8, 10 mile an hour breeze. If I can just keep it facing in the same direction, I can control it pretty good. But when I try to bring it up or down and it yaws, I crash.